Today, I'm going to walk you through some of the more advanced capabilities that LinkedIn has when it comes to marketing companies of a specific size. So if you have a criteria that you're looking for in terms of who takes up your products and services or solutions, this is a fantastic shortcut to finding those businesses and the people working in them. Even if you've never used this tool before, Sales Navigator, you can jump on a free trial with LinkedIn and go through the exact steps that I'm going through at the moment. So once you're on your homepage from the Sales Navigator navigation, you can go to account filters, click on that button. It's going to bring up all your categories that you can narrow down your opportunities using. So first things first, you start with geography and start with your city or town that you work from. Naturally, the closer you are in proximity, there's an added layer of trust transference and connection there. You've got industry, so let's say it was financial services I was looking for, and you can type in any industry here that your target clients operate in. Then here's where it gets really cool. You've got all these criteria such as annual revenue. So let's say the companies I wanted to target were doing between $1 and $3 million annually. I can click add, and now I've filtered down to 273 results, businesses in Melbourne that are in this revenue range. I can look at other things like their company headcount, so how many employees they have, how fast that headcount is growing, whether they're a fortune company, how many followers they've got, if that's something that you want to support them with growing or building, or you want to make sure they've got an existing presence already, technologies that they may be using inside their business, and are they hiring, in your relationship to them. If you click search, it'll bring up all those businesses that you can then go ahead and save, then come back and work these accounts. And once you have the company up, you can actually go ahead and view all the employees in the business, find the decision makers that you're after, and start connecting and building relationships with these opportunities. I just want to share some of the features that can help you have more success marketing on LinkedIn this year. Make sure you subscribe and follow so you can get access to more of these tips and tutorials to enhance your success on the LinkedIn platform. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and we'll get straight back to you.